Hey folks, Ray Terry here, host of About Your House. Today, put tools in schools is our focus. Actually, put tools in hands with purpose and happiness behind it. I'm talking here with Joe Small. Joe, down here, ER Plumbing Services, as a matter of fact. Great plumbing company with a lot of career opportunities. Joe Small, how long you been a plumber?
Since I was 12 years old, my dad got me a work permit to be able to go on the job site and get a paycheck.
Wow, since 12 years old?
Yeah, 12 years old.
How old are you now, if you don't mind?
I'm 34 years old now.
34. Great. Has it been good to you?
It's been real good to me. I tried other things, and I had to come back to plumbing.
So you went out and you tried other things. Would you recommend that to other kids or anybody growing up looking for purpose and happiness in a great career?
Yeah, I would say definitely try your McDonald's, your fast food industries, or your grocery store chains. Even any kind of minimum wage starting service around any kind of industry,
right?
And just see how you feel, and then start talking to as you get older, because you need to be 18, 21 years old really to get into the plumbing industry nowadays. But that's what I would recommend doing, and then you kind of get a feel for, would you rather do the same exact thing every day for the rest of your life, or come to like plumbing or electrical where you're going and doing different things
every day? It changes every day. I've been in the industry over 50 years now, right. Believe it or not. We had a discussion yesterday. Folks, it's always changing. Yeah. ADHD, this is a great career. Any job with your hands is a great career. Yeah. And so we're showing it to you. A lot of opportunity. Joe, have you made good money being a plumber?
I can't complain.
Good benefits.
It brought me back, yes sir. Good benefits.
Folks, it's consistent, great. It's hard work, but it's great work. So, hey Joe, would you recommend plumbing to any youth coming up?
Oh yeah, I'm constantly encouraging people with an adult son, maybe just graduated high school, does not know what to do. I always say, tell them to look into plumbing. I think it's the most money you can make without a college degree. That's kind of how I feel about it. But there may be something out there, you get lucky, you know. But yeah, I really encourage our young people to look into it, because we need more people in the labor field. And there's nothing wrong with wanting to be a social media star or YouTube star or whatever, but I really feel like it's more important for everybody. You can bring a service into someone's home and get to know the community
right in
their home.
Exactly.
As a service plumber, there's different types of plumbing. You got new construction, you've got industrial, you got more service like pipeline work.
Sure, absolutely.
But we do mainly service plumbing, where we go into homeowners' houses, we get to know them, we get to bring the service to them.
Right.
So yeah, it's pretty great. And I was thinking, one of the great things about it is I get to be like a first responder. So like, you know, you got a 911 emergency, you call 911, the ambulance gets there. You're
right.
not happy about calling an ambulance.
Right.
But we get the people smiling when we get there. We're so happy to see you, because they've got a plumbing emergency.
They got a problem.
Whether it's sewers backing up, or no hot water, or no water at all. And they're just so happy that you get there. And then it's so rewarding to be able to fix that problem, that sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes it takes 3 or 4 hours. But you got to bring them a service, and you made their day by getting there, fixing their emergency. So it's
very rewarding.
It's very rewarding. So
that's
one of the biggest things is I did want to be a police officer growing up, but it was so hard to leave plumbing, because I kept hearing how much money police officers are making. I wish they made more, to be honest, because it's such a demanding job, but it's dangerous, and
right.
And they don't get that to where they get thanked on a daily basis,
right.
And I pretty much get thanked on a daily basis, so it's pretty awesome. So,
folks, you might check it out. Young, old, female, doesn't matter. There's a lot of opportunity in plumbing. Working with your hands, working with your mind, with great purpose and happiness, and you're happy.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Oh yeah.
That's great, Joe.
Yes,
thank you so much for what you do. Most of all, for just helping people.
Yes, sir.
Spread that love, folks. Every Saturday morning, that's what we do, 8 to 11 on Fox Sports Radio right here in Charlotte. So tune in, turn on. Let's put tools in schools. We'll talk to you soon.